Hey folks, I'm Kushal and this is Skillshetra, where we explore the world of ethical hacking one CTF at a time. If you're looking to sharpen your skills, learn real techniques and walk through hands-on challenges, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're solving a little something to get you started, the very first challenge from the Hacker101 CTF platform. Let's go. As you can see, this is the very first challenge of the CTF. The difficulty level is marked as trivial and we only need to find and submit one flag to complete it. To begin solving the challenge, we'll first start the web application. This process might take a little time, so we'll wait patiently until it's fully up and running. Once the application has started, we can go back to the main page. There you'll notice a button labeled Hints. Clicking this button provides us with hints in case we get stuck or need a nudge in the right direction. Let's click on Get a Hint. The hint says, take a look at the source for the page. So we'll inspect the page source code. In the HTML, we can see that some CSS is being used to set a background image on the tag. However, if we look at the actual web page, there doesn't appear to be any visible background image. This suggests that the file specified in the CSS might not actually be an image. It could be some other kind of file, possibly containing our flag. The CSS refers to a file called background.png. If we copy that file name and append it to the base URL of the site, after /index, and visit that URL in the browser, we're taken to a new page. And here it is, our first flag. Now, we'll copy the flag, return to the Hacker101 platform, click on Submit Flag, paste it in, and hit Submit. After that, we can go back and see that the challenge has been marked as completed. We've successfully found and submitted our first flag. We can also solve this challenge using a programming language like Python. I've written a Python script that does exactly that, and I've uploaded it to my GitHub repository. You'll find the link in the video description if you'd like to check it out and follow along. This Python script automates the process of finding the flag. It starts by asking for your CTF ID. Then it sends a GET request to the background image URL using that ID. If the image loads successfully, status code 200. It prints the flag from the image file. If the CTF ID is wrong or there's a connection issue, it shows an error message. This script saves time and is great for practicing basic Python and web requests. And that's a wrap for today's challenge. If you found this helpful, leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more walkthroughs and InfoSec content every week. This is just the beginning of our Hacker101 journey, so stay tuned for the next one. This is Kushal from Skillshetra signing off. Keep learning, keep hacking, ethically of course. See you in the next one.